Today has been mains hookup day, or rather hole cutting day. I'm now waiting for the Sikaflex to go off that I've bonded a piece of reinforcement to the back of the van with. But that's nice and square and straight in relation to the black plastic trim, and it's in the original hole where the auto jet was. Now then, quick wander in here. I like this particular type of socket, but it's deep. So make sure it ain't going to protrude further than where your cladding is going to go. Otherwise you can have fun and games. But these are quite nice. They seem to function nicer than the flip out ones. That black thing was the original 110 volt neon for the original ambulance system. I haven't taken it out because there'll be a big gaping hole there, and there's some bodywork that needs to be done on that side anyway, which can all be done at the same time. It's not a job that I'm engaged to do. But there's a nice piece of plastic reinforcement there, just to, you know, because plugs will be getting pushed in and out of this, so it just helps strengthen it a little bit. And then the other thing I've done today, which took bloody ages, was run the best side of about 15 metres of Arctic blue up that piece of conduit. Golly, that was a pain in the neck, even with a draw cord. It's a bit of reused conduit that originally came out of this van, and it's got some kinks in it in places, but that's just temporarily run down there at the moment, and then I will tie it in across the top of the van, and goes all the way down the back, down there, down there, down there, and as you can see, I've got a fair bit of spare there, but that's going to be for the mains battery charger, which for the time being is going to bolt up against that frame there which holds the batteries. But I'm just wiring this in a fairly temporary manner, just so there's some battery charging. I should probably stick the consumer unit on this piece of plywood.